Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make matcha muffins. It's very easy to make, but it's seriously delicious. Let's get started. These are what you need. 150 gram all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon matcha powder, 50 gram butter, room temperature, 75 milliliter milk, room temperature, 1 egg, room temperature, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 80 gram sugar. And these are the ingredients for the crumble on top. 50 gram all-purpose flour, 25 gram butter, diced and chilled, 25 gram sugar. Let's make the crumble on top first. So flour, sugar, and you pinch or squeeze butter to mix with flour and sugar. When you squeeze this like this, it's like a cookie dough, but it easily breaks down into crumbles. While I make the muffin part, I'm going to put this in fridge to chill. I'm preheating the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's make the muffin part. So I have butter in this bowl, room temperature, and I'm adding sugar to it. Mix it well. I'm adding this beaten egg, but little by little. And in here, I'm adding this mixture of flour, matcha, and baking powder and milk. But half of this first, half of milk, and then the rest of the flour and the rest of the milk. Just half of this flour. And mix. Pour it in. Pour it in. Let's add half of the milk. And mix. Then rest of the flour. And the rest of the milk. And the matcha muffin dough is ready. I set the baking cup into this muffin mold. I'm going to put the muffin dough into each cup. Now I have all the dough in the baking cup. Let's drop it on the countertop to push out the air. Then I'm going to put this crumble on top. If you have some leftover crumble, put this in the freezer bag and freeze, and use it next time when you make muffins. I'm going to put this in the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. I baked it for 30 minutes and it's good to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!